So guys, today we might even be starting to cut the front end off. As you can see, there's damage here. Yeah, it's not looking too good. And here it's all splitting. And it's even splitting down the A-pillar. So let's start removing all these parts. I'm doing those bolts right there. And then get cutting. Fun. Nope, we need big guns.
Time to pull out the big gun.
Bigger guns. Hopefully. Yeah, big guns work. We're just going to follow this line here because it's already halfway done. Angle, try and cut this around here. Disc's already very small. Might will go down to that one. Really don't want to cut my fingers off, but how far off are we? Yeah, he's getting there. Separate the seam. Hey. Try and take this corner out of here as well, just a bit. And the rest of it should come off. I might have to be a Dremel in there. Fuck. As you can see, it's starting to separate. See? As you can see that on camera in here. Right, next to shoot. I'm going to separate this. Again, I'm kind of lucky because it's already split. Might just be able to force it. Oop, right in the face. Safety glasses don't always protect you, as I just found out. Sparked me right in the eye. Bastard. With dangers. Literally got a piece of metal shoved in my eye. That might be an A&E trip. We'll see. Alright. Ignoring the piece of metal in my eye, we're going to carry on because it's not irritating me that bad. We can see, look, see the movement now? We're getting there. Start pulling on stuff. Look at the movement now, that's good. Can't pull right too much. I really don't want us to cut my leg off, so take our time, take our time. Put away wiring. Done. Hey, look, we're getting there. He's about to lose his eye, which is like me, and it's my right eye, winner. What I'm trying to do is separate this. You see it's already a bit rotten, so literally going to keep going up the seam like this, twisting as I go. What's filming? Because chances are this A-pillar is going to have to come off anyway, because, yeah, probably. Yeah, we're going to have to grind, I'm guessing. I cut down this inner edge here, the whole panel should come off and I'll still have a thing to weld to if I can save this. Good plan. Let's do it. Win. Quite a lot of grinding. We have a wing coming off, baby. Oh yeah. Try and get this wiring off the back of here. Like set in. Interesting. This is going to be a new problem. All these bolts and nuts are absolutely fun. Of drill bit and drill out these from the other side. This headlight should come out, which is going to get replaced anyway. I could just cut the wires, but that's lots of hassle. Let's join into the loom so it can't even unplug it. pain in the butt. Oh, I don't think I can. Might actually be part of that, but we'll see. Sweet. See if we can get you in here, see what I'm doing. So pull this little grommet out of here. Oops. Okay. What I'm going to try and do, I think, is remove the end one here. It's going to be a pain in the butt. If I take a photo of this first. Okay. Oops. Take a photo of this first. I can take the glove back off. Document the wire colours. Now at least I can cut these wires or something like that. Get a better, broader idea of exactly where they go. So I think if I can pull these out here, like this, nice, easy. I mean, this is so brittle actually, so it's kind of not replacing anyway. Yes, I can. Oh look at this. That's what happens to brittle old plastic. So I need a new one of those, of course I do. Okay. Alright, I might be able to make this hole a bit bigger in here and push this through without having to cut any of this precious wiring. I doubt I'm going to be able to pull the grommet off. I mean, I could cut the grommet off actually and just put a new one on. Screen viewers might be thinking, shit me man, you're going to cut your fingers off, but I'm trying not to. You see, separating slowly. There we go. You peel them off. Yeah. You might even be able to reuse that if I can't find any more to buy, which you should be able to. Why not grommet removed? See if we can get these wires to come and stay at the back. Good. One at a time. 1, 2. Haha! And wiring is off. Which means we have a wing removed, finally. These extra dents are caused by me knocking my seats which were on the roof straight off onto the wing, so yeah, destined to come off. Cool, eh? So, let's go and inspect the rust hole behind it. So, normally on most of these straps normally go here on the towel, but this looks actually perfect. Very minor surface rust, that's fucking excellent news. This whole panel is perfect, bar a little bit again, surface rust, that's needs to clean up. This I'll be cutting off at some time. So basically they cut it pretty much in a straight line down here, and all the whole front panel comes off. That's going to be a bit later on. Excellent. Alright, next problem was, at some point we're going to take this off and we'll see what the hole's like. Oh, you can. There we go, that's the hole that needs repairing. It's not actually as bad as I thought, but you know, get that grinder down on these things down here, like, there you go, look. What's it like? Oh yes, it's a big, literal, it's almost like paper mache, someone's added to it. That's going to go straight in, isn't it? Yep, there you go. It's pretty bad actually. So we're going to knock all this rust out to see what we've got left in. Yeah, look at all this. What? It's never ending. Cool. So yeah, we'll take this off a little bit later if I can get those bloody nuts off. And we'll inspect that a bit better, but yeah, we're getting there. Started a lot less like a mini air rate, but this kind of thing's got to be done. And here, just like that, we have the front end pretty much removed. Bar the bottom piece, which is next, but has to be another day because I'm knackered. Whew. There we go, so look at this side again. So the bottom quarter, see down there, same problem as the other side. I won't poke it, but it's going to be bad. This side's actually okay up here, maybe a bit of surfacey shit, but I'm going to whack it. I know it looks like it's going to need doing, probably. Not quite sure. Shop mount, perfect again. Good news. Expected that to be bad. This is going to be a nightmare to get off as well. I've been welded before this thing. Oop. Take that off there. Yeah, somewhat of progress. Once the front bar's off, which might literally pull this. Oh yeah. Oh, isn't that being very sharp? Pretty much. Probably pull this off. Yeah, look. Nice. This front panel will come off, and then on bottom at the bottom, might have to cut down. I will, yeah. Like, cut down the inside of here on both sides. I need more charge for that. Yeah, front end will be removed. Let's look inside.